Only 3 things happen routinely in organizations: friction, confusion, and underperformance. Everything else requires leadership. Many confuse a technology plan with a technology strategy. That's why many technology solutions are little more than an endless supply of constantly changing options, methods, and ideas for building a successful business in the augmented age. Plans can't replace strategy if you want to achieve your objectives.
It seems clear. If you desire a lifestyle that gives you more time freedom by generating revenue while you sleep, then samurai thinking is required. Every day we support entrepreneurs as they design their lifestyles doing what they love. By removing technology chaos, which causes friction between you and your objectives. How? By continuously improving the precision and accuracy of everything you do. And to be clear, everything you do all day, every day, is managed data and communications. So, by making minor changes over time in key areas, you can reap considerable rewards across the entire enterprise. Technology can be frustrating, but when the right tech is correctly integrated with elegant strategies designed to reduce friction and confusion, it becomes seamless and ideally invisible, like making a long-distance phone call. Just easy. Now, to be competitive in the digital age, entrepreneurs must systematize and formalize as many activities as possible. Improving efficiencies and lowering friction at a granular level reaps enormous benefits over time in critical areas such as communications, collaboration, data management, production, and logistics. Systems are essential to one of the most important decisions you should make as early in your business life as possible. That's how do you want to generate sales? It's an important question that will shape your future for many years. For example, will you create a lead gen system that requires a considerable amount of human capital due to the typically low conversion rate of that method? Or will you start building a system that automates the building of trust with your target avatar, so they know, like, and trust you, and over time are predisposed to do business with you? One of those options is scalable. The other is not. Samurai thinking says, have systems to simplify your business so you can execute and scale more quickly. Don't settle. Do work you love. Design your future. Discover the best way to grow your business. Design your future. Monetize your story. Powered by Digital Samurai. Get started now. Scan the code or go to designyourfuture.biz.